They told us cars were getting smarter, faster, and more reliable. But behind the shiny chrome and the marketing slogans, something strange was happening. A quiet shift inside the automotive world, one that left millions of drivers wondering who's really in control, the car owners or the corporations building them. Imagine driving your car one morning and something feels off. The AC starts blowing hot air, the check engine light flashes for no reason, or your vehicle suddenly limits its own speed. It's not a mechanical failure, it's software. Hidden code deciding how your car behaves. The change began slowly, first with convenience features. Automatic climate control, tire sensors, digital dashboards, then came updates, remote ones. And now, some companies can alter your car's performance or disable systems without you even knowing. It's not sci-fi, it's our new reality. Back in the day, fixing your own car was simple. A set of wrenches, a manual, and maybe a few busted knuckles. Today, you need special tools and access codes. Even resetting something small, like a blend door actuator or a sensor fault, can mean a dealer visit. That's not an accident, that's design. By making vehicles more digital, automakers gain control over repairs, updates, and even data. Every time you drive, your car records everything: speed, braking, location, system health, and sends it off. They call it innovation. But it also means the company knows more about your car than you ever will. A quiet war began: automakers versus repair shops. Lawmakers fought back with right-to-repair bills. Some passed, but with every software update, another door closes. Cars evolve faster than our ability to fix them. Ask any car lover, the bond between driver and machine used to mean something. You could feel every vibration, every gear shift. Now, it's like talking to a computer that only listens when it wants to. The love of driving hasn't died. It's just buried under firmware updates and subscription fees. Tesla started it. Then BMW tried charging for heated seats. GM's pushing fully digital ecosystems. And every new EV seems built to talk to everyone: the manufacturer, insurers, even governments. Smart cars? Yes. But at what cost? But not all change is bad. Independent developers and small startups are fighting back, creating open-source tools, DIY software, and repair guides. Communities online are keeping that freedom alive. We're standing at a crossroads. Will we accept a future where cars are subscriptions on wheels, or fight to keep them what they were meant to be, machines that belong to their drivers? The choice is ours. Maybe evolution isn't in the cars, but in us. Those who still care enough to learn, question, and fix what others gave up on. Because no matter how advanced cars become, passion for driving will always be human. If you believe drivers deserve the right to repair and truly own their vehicles, hit like and subscribe. Let's keep this movement alive, because the road ahead depends on us.